Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use instadub. In this tutorial we are going to be talking about the tokens control. Tokens can be used wherever you can input data, any text to post, perhaps a comment, perhaps a caption for a repost, so on and so forth. So let's bring up the imagery posting, and here we can talk about the caption that we're going to set. Here's one I set earlier, so we can see we've got the token username. We're going to post the caption of the image we are reposting, and caption mentions. All these tokens, you don't have to remember them, they can be inserted by the tokens control. They should all be pretty straightforward. If we are actioning on an image, then the data related to that image, so we have image username, that will be the username of the owner of the image. Image user last name, image user first name, last name of the owner of the image. You can see here we've got the token just hash username hash. That is shorthand for image username. Likewise, image username is the same as user. Just some shorthand if you like to type it in. Anything to do with the account action, your account doing the work, we'll start with my. So we can post my first name, my last name, my full name, my username, my website. My bit.ly website, my bit.ly random website. The standard tokenized form for that would be bit.ly rand, my username, my website URL. This will use your bit.ly username and password details as entered into the settings tab. And it will take this URL and shorten it to a bit.ly URL, making it random for each insertion into the page. If you do it as such, then you will use the bit.ly URL for that URL, meaning whenever you see this, it will always be the same bit.ly URL. Maybe what you want, as that will give you the bit.ly stats for how many users followed that URL. Can be useful. Some more tokens. So here, this lists the full bit.ly rand. Here is the my bit.ly rand. So if your account has a website, then that will be the same as doing it in this longhand format. Bio, username, user ID. They're just shorthands for what we went through earlier. So that is the tokens you can use if you are reacting to an image. If you are just going to be actioning on a user, let's say a direct message, then you are going to have access to the tokens related to the user you're sending to, and to the account being used to send the direct message. So here you don't see any of the image username. In fact, you see just user first name, user full name. That's a user you are sending to. As I mentioned earlier, your details will be prepended with my. And so that's pretty much the tokens. Come along to the forum to ask any questions. Perhaps there's some tokens you think we have missed off. Let us know. We'll get them added. rootjazz.com/forum. Sign up. Post any problems you have, any issues, any questions, any suggestions, improvements, anything to do with the software at all. For more tutorials, check out the YouTube channel where you're probably watching this. youtube.com/rootjazzvideos. Thanks for watching.